How to find and search for groups in WhatsApp. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. For this, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for your WhatsApp app. Select the app and make sure that it is up to date. Then tap Open on it. In this main chat feed, you will find all of your groups that you are added in your WhatsApp. As you can see, there is no option for separate group section in your WhatsApp, and that is nothing that we can do in our end. You will find all of your group in this particular chat feed. However, if it's not being displayed, follow this next step. Open up your phone setting, scroll down and select on apps. Head to all apps. Search for WhatsApp. Now stop it. Head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This is to fix the bug issue. Next is to open up your Play Store and check for an update. If there is no update, you can just uninstall the application and reinstall it later. Alternatively, press and hold onto your WhatsApp app and head to App Info. Stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Then, check for your Wi-Fi connection as well. When your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, the chats will not be displayed on your feed. By doing this, you'll be able to fix the issue if there is any. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.